So it is day 3 in Tokyo Disney. Today we're just heading to Disney Tokyo Sea for the second time.
We've already gone wrong way. Hey,
dear.
Let's go.
Should we start again?
We'll cut this one bollock.
Good morning. We are just on our way to what's it called? The train. Good morning. We are just on the way to the monorail. We're heading to DisneySea for the second time. We've already had a day there, so go watch that video if you want to see more. What time is it? It's nearly 8. The park opens at 9. We've been trying to get there a bit early. Usually already so busy by this point, but at least we can get in the queue and get in there.
Yeah. We've
just bought some soy banana milkshakes from the Lawson that's in our hotel in the Hilton Tokyo Bay. There's a Lawson actually inside it,
and it's
which is
reasonably
so
priced
handy.
As well, isn't it?
So handy. Yeah, it's not like super expensive or anything. We've been getting onigiri and soy milk and drinks and stuff from there, and some tea bags. We got some tea bags from there. To be the ultimate British tourist, we bought some tea bags so we could have like a cup of tea this morning. Yeah, it's a sunny day. It's a pretty chilly one, but it's so nice when the sun's out. It makes it like such a lovely combination.
It feels like 10-degree difference when the sun comes out and when it
so let's hop on the monorail and head over to DisneySea. I'm so excited for another day. Yay! So the monorail's been so handy. We've got these tickets. This is a 4-day pass. There's machines just at the entrance. You can put to English and they are easy to use. It did confuse us on the first day just because we didn't put the money in at the right moment. They've been so good, so easy to get in and out, and it's unlimited use for 4 straight days. So we're going to have to buy another one on Sunday because we're here for like 5 days. So there's only 4 stops on the monorail. There's this stop, which is Bayside Station, which is where quite a few of the hotels are. There's like the Sheraton, the Toy Story one, and a couple of others. And then there's DisneySea stop. Then there's another hotel stop. I forgot what's that called now, but it's also where there's some shops and stuff. Oh, the monorail's come in. And then there's actually Disneyland stop as well. And it's so convenient. It comes every few minutes. I love it.
You excited, Jess? Like that.
Yeah, that was so good.
Here's a wave. Do what he's doing. Do that. Twins.
So we're just in the queue for Journey to the Centre of the Earth. We went to Tower of Terror, but it was down. It's opening at 10 apparently, because of technical difficulties. So we've hot-footed it over to Journey to the Centre of the Earth. I don't know what this ride is at all. We think it might be a roller coaster.
Could be.
It's like an hour wait. We've probably been in queue like 15 minutes already or something, and it's moving pretty quickly, so hopefully we'll be on it soon. Journey to the centre of the earth was so good, we loved it, it was such a good ride. So we've just jumped into Raging Spirits queue, which is 15 minutes at the moment, but we thought these are two rides that we definitely really want to do, so we'll do them first, get them like out of the way, and I think the wait could probably just get longer throughout the day anyway, so we're going to jump on here. It's another roller coaster and it looks really good, so I'm looking forward to it. Just now in the queue, a cast member came over and took Jay away.
Pulled me out of the queue?
Pulled him out of the queue.
I thought, okay.
And
see where this goes?
It was to measure his height, to make sure he wasn't too tall for the ride. So it was like a measuring stick.
She just threw me up against that one of them posts and
just to make sure.
She went,
oh, that's good then. So he's not too tall for it.
Yeah.
And she gave us these little stickers that says first ride, which is so cute. So that was a cute little interaction.
I'm short enough to go on the ride. Yes.
So hopefully Jay won't hit his head on anything.
But I'm going to duck down anyway because that's best. That is best sensible practice. Always duck.
I want to get that sign spinning. Oh, there we go. Yay! We just got our Raging Spirits and it was really good. It was good. You did a loop-the-loop.
Loop-the-loop, baby.
It was nice, it was smooth, like it didn't bang your head around. It was just like a good old-fashioned roller coaster. I really enjoyed it, it was fun. And the theming was great as well, of course. So now we're just going to head over to Dockside Diner, I think we've chosen, for some food.
That smell of hot dogs is outrageous.
Oh yeah, I can smell food.
I haven't seen a hot dog yet.
So Dockside Diner, I think, has got some good options for us.
I think this way.
So this way, over the bridge. I'll just spin you around for some ambience. So we've got like Agrabah over on that side. So beautiful. And then on the other side of the bridge,
Indiana Jonesy style.
Oh, Indiana Jonesy type area. And then straight ahead is like the Ariel Mermaid Lagoon area. It's just so pretty everywhere. I love it. I don't think we've been on a bad ride at all here. Like everything's just been really like worth doing.
Yeah.
We were saying even like the magic carpets of Aladdin was so good. Like they're just all very enjoyable.
Even It's a Small World.
It's a Small World. Oh, I don't think we mentioned that yesterday. I think that was one of the ones.
It was really good.
Because we went on a few and forgot to film, but that was really good.
The rides are just like, they're just a better, like the quality is 10 times better. Can't really explain it, but it's 10 times better than like in Orlando.
Yeah, they're just really
like
good, aren't they?
Everything's clean, everything's shiny, everything's brand new.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
Just walking through Ariel's Grotto type area. It's got Ariel's Castle, or King Trident's Castle, I should say. We're just waiting for a show. It's going to happen on the harbour. It's all about Minnie. I got my Minnie hat on to celebrate.
In just a few minutes here at Mediterranean Harbor, we will proudly present Minnie, We Love You.
Dockside Diner and we just ordered some food, so let me show you what we've got. Okay, so 2 Cokes. We've got this sparkling cocktail that looks delightful. a cup salad. This is vegan. Still debating whether the dressing is vegan. I'm going to have a closer look in a sec. 2 chips, vegan, and then a cup of strawberries from Hokkaido, which is very exciting. And then Jay, I got her harissa dip for my fries. That was like an extra that you can add on that is vegan. And then Jay's got a pastrami sandwich
with a creamy mushroom sauce or something. You got pastrami. It looks like a pan of chocolate or something.
Oh yeah, it does.
Cheese.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Pastrami. Looks like pickles or something. So a little bite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pleased with that.
Well, that cheese just smacks.
Oh, is it
That
good?
cheese just smacks.
I'm going to try this cocktail. Sparkling cocktail it's called. It's got kiwi in it. Yeah, it's got kiwi and a cherry on top.
What's the alcohol?
It said a
Is it a liqueur?
fruit liqueur, and it said it's got kiwi in it, so I don't know if it's a kiwi liqueur. Well, it's blue, so maybe not.
How much for that?
It might be like Curacao, because that's blue, maybe.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's nice and refreshing. It's quite white. It doesn't taste too strong or anything.
No.
It's just nice and refreshing, quite sweet.
It's not like a Blue Lagoon, is it?
It's just kind of nice, isn't
Doesn't
it?
really even taste alcoholic.
Yeah.
It's,
It's probably quite diluted.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
nice.
it's good.
Almost like bubble gum.
Yeah,
like a
there is
weird
something a bit
bubblegummy
bubblegum.
kind of thing,
Yeah,
isn't it?
actually, yeah, like a hint of bubblegum. So I've just looked at the ingredients using Google Translate on the dressing that came with the salad, and the dressing does have bonito flakes in it, so I'm not going to have that. I'm just going to have my salad. I wonder if they do have oil. Maybe I could have asked for like oil or vinegar or something, but it looks quite nice actually. I'll show you what's in it. So yeah, it's got sweet corn, a little bit of broccoli, peppers, lettuce. It looks like quite a nice salad. It is a shame it's dry, but I do have my sauce and some ketchup.
Best sandwich so far, that really. Yeah, very nice sandwich. The price of that all was 3,660 yen, which is probably, well, if you knock the last two numbers off, that probably gets you what it is in dollars, doesn't it? So what, $36 roughly? And then so obviously pounds is less than that in it, so probably about 30 quid that. I don't know if it's worth it or not really for a sandwich and some chips. But Disney be Disneying.
We've got a cocktail too.
We've got a cocktail as well, I suppose. Yeah. Okay.
So I enjoyed my chips, salad and strawberries. They were pretty good. It's just one of those things that Tokyo Disney just isn't very good for vegans, unfortunately. But I think you can get by, and that was a nice little cobbled together quick meal. So we've managed to get tickets for Big Band B, which is a show of some kind, and it's just 2 minutes from here. It's just up in like the New Yorkie area in a theatre. The shows like that, you have to do an entry request where you basically enter a lottery, as far as I understand it. You have to like apply for a ticket on the app, and it just tells you if you were successful or not. And I don't know if they even have standby or anything, and that's kind of the only way. So if you're unlucky, like you just can't see it that day. So very lucky to have got a ticket for that. So we're just gonna finish up here and head over to see the show. And that's what happened like yesterday. The Club Mouse Beat show. That was the same thing where I had to enter the lottery and won a place. And I'm so glad I did, because that show was amazing. It was as good as that show. I'm so excited. I'm so excited anyway, but that was such a good show. There's one in Paris that's like was a big band show that we saw a couple of years ago, a few years ago now, and that was really good. So I'm looking forward to it. Yay!
Slurpee Joe here. Arigato. Wowzers. Oh. City Hall. Let's go. Okay. We aren't back.
We were just saying how amazing this theatre is. It's so beautiful and huge, and you'd be happy to go to this theatre.
That Broadway stuff.
Yeah, in Broadway or London. It's just so beautiful. Whoa, it's very funny.
Glare.
Yeah, it's Donald, isn't it? Oh,
He's a
we
pest.
just stumbled across Donald.
He's be pesting.
What do you mean about Donald? So we just got out of Big Band Beat, a special
beat.
treat, and it was so good. It was amazing. It was such a good show. It was like Broadway style
Tap dancing
production.
and Fred Astaire style.
It was like swing music themed.
Yeah.
And yeah, the tap dancers were amazing, the performers were so good. And whoever is playing Mickey, tap dancing skills, and then playing the drums, playing the
with big
actual
gloves,
drums.
with big Mickey hands
So
on.
good, so enjoyable. I really, really loved it.
Yeah, we're good.
And yeah, so it was a little bit similar to one in Paris that we saw a little while ago, because he played the drums in that, didn't he?
Yeah.
I think that was
This
like a big
seemed
band.
better though. I don't know if it's because it's. I've
The
only
theatre
just
was
watched
really
it.
nice, yeah.
Yeah,
And it
theatre
just,
was good.
like, there wasn't a bad seat at all. It was just all really good, and the songs were good
Like
fun.
I was saying, you'd be impressed with that if it were in Sheffield.
Yeah,
wouldn't you?
yeah, you would. You would, yeah. Tower Terror's at 85 minutes.
Too long.
Bit
ain't it?
long, I think,
Too
for us
long.
at the minute. So we're just gonna have a little mooch around, I think, and just soak in the ambience.
Okay, McDuck.
Just gonna go in Scrooge McDucks department store. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, these are those bags. I've been seeing these about the park and I think they're so cute. Oh my god, there's all different kinds. So they're actually like a pouch. They've got a zip on the back, look. And you just carry them around like a little bag. That's the Duffy one. Shelley May, Duffy and Friends. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, there's a turtle one. Oh, Gelatoni. I think that's the cat. This is the names on them. They're so cute. It's actually like quite a good bag, isn't it? It's got all the sections in to put your water bottle. 4,600 yen.
Could be about 30 quid.
That's
then.
maybe about 30 quid-ish. Oh, they have all these little outfits for the bears. So you buy your bear naked and you can buy little outfits for them. Oh, these like little flannels. They're so sweet. Looks like a bag in there. Oh, it's like a little blanket. Like a throw blanket that you can wear. That's so sweet. Oh, a little bag. Oh, they're tea bags. Oh, look, it's that Krylon tea again. An Earl Grey. Little pouch of tea bags. 1,000 yen, that one.
English breakfast version. It's artwork, that.
Ah, so it's like a pack. You can buy these canvases. It tells the story of Duffy's wonderful voyage. Ooh, money. Money. Oh wow, yeah, this is Duffy heaven.
Oh, it's all Duffy stuff.
Yeah. This is a new character, I think. Lena Bell. The monorail is themed with Lena Bell, so I feel like she must be new or something. She's adorable.
Yeah, cat.
I love her. I think it's a cat. She does have a clinty face. Oh, fluffy and soft. Sleepy. Sleepy time, friends. Sleep all night. So these are, so you can hang them on your bag or you can like pin them to something as well. And, like wear them about the park. More clothes and glasses and bags. You can get like a whole closet. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bear. That's so cute, isn't it? Oh, she might be a fox, you know. She's got like a fox's tail.
I know a fox when I see one. That's
yeah, she's got like pointy ears.
I don't know actually, unless it's just like a made up feather.
Yeah. 870 yen. So that's like fiver maybe?
Not bad. That'd be,
That's
like, that'd be
actually
$30, wouldn't it? Not like
yeah. Because I could get a couple of them because I actually use them to take my makeup off.
Oh, I need some slippers.
Oh, Duffy mug. That's actually really sweet. How much is the mug?
That's alright.
The mug is 1,700 yen.
Some slippers for 3k.
Oh, they're nice. They're actually really nice slippers.
They're alright, aren't they?
Oh, a scrunchie. Very cute scrunchie. Oh, MacBook.
Is that,
cover.
is that for a MacBook?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it?
Well, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Or an iPad.
Oh, that's what I meant. Sorry, I meant an iPad.
Yeah.
That's actually like a really nice bag. And it's 3,600. So cute. Mickey and Duffy. Oh, little pin. Oh, that's really cute.
Oh, they're photocards.
Oh, are they? Oh, past there. Oh, there's no way I know it. Well, we'd have to read it.
Oh, it's got in it.
Yeah.
It's only one portion as well.
Alina Bell phone case. Alina Bell hand cream, possibly. Tissue covers.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in there.
Yeah.
I didn't even know this were a thing, a tissue box
Yeah.
with a
I
cover
think
on
it's
it.
something that they do.
Tissue
Yeah.
cozy.
Really cute. So I'm thinking that I could get one little one, maybe.
Just squeezing right down. Sorry.
So that's why I want to look at what options there are. So many. There's so many. So that's Duffy.
Is that
So-
gelatinous?
Gelatoni.
Gelatoni.
Yeah, it's cute, Gelatoni. The rabbits, they're all cute. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? Oh, and that's Lena Bell. I'm tempted. So I bought a tiny little Lena Bell. I really wanted a memento, and she was the smallest one. She's so cute, and there's so many to choose from. I was very spoiled for choice. I was torn ultimately between Lena Bell and Duffy. Duffy is the bear, who was like the original Tokyo Disney mascot. I think they like created Duffy for the Japanese Disneyland. But Lena Bell, I think she's new, and on the monorail it was all Lena Bell themed. So I thought that was the selling factor, and she's just so cute. Look at her, she's tiny. So I'm quite happy with that. Because we're travelling with such small luggage, I couldn't buy anything larger, and I thought she will just fit in my pocket wherever I go. She's so cute. I'm so happy. So Lena Bell was 2,100 yen, and it's from like the Circle of Friendship range. Yikes, that's probably about £15 or something. Is that right? That's probably quite a lot, isn't it, for this tiny little thing? But it's just so well made. Got little Mickey paws. This is like quite a long segment of this tiny little creature. I still don't even know if she's a fox or a cat, because she has got like a fox's tail, but in the face she looks like a cat, and she looks like Gelatoni, who was a cat. So, but I love her. one shall we get? Which one shall we get? There's 2 horses there. Do you want to go the outside? So we'll go for the horse. Or do you want this one?
No, he's got that one.
Well, which one do you want? So Jay got the horse.
Alright then, let's go. Race ya. What we got there? Nice little handbag.
That's so cute with the tassel.
Oh, it's a carpet, isn't it?
That's so nice.
She's got a handbag.
Oh, that's so cute.
Aladdin t-shirt. Oh, they when they're at home.
What's that? Oh, I think it's for your phone.
What?
It's a phone cleaner.
A phone cleaner?
It's like a roller. And you roll it on your phone. Is it a cleaner?
It's like something. That's a phone cleaner.
Well, I don't know.
Could be.
I've got some things.
Oh,
Toothbrush.
Genie toothbrush.
Genie
I kind of want that now. And socks.
Genie socks. Underpants.
Oh yeah.
And then, that's nice as well. Nice little coin purse.
Yeah, there's some good stuff in here, isn't there?
Yeah, this is about
Pop down here. Very good.
That's so good. Oh, that's
Some little toys. Oh, we're gonna finally get a pack of postcards with more than 2 in.
They are postcards.
Oh yeah.
But, oh yeah, they're all different lot. So they're like princesses. And they are nice, it's just
Not
that they don't
bad.
say Tokyo Disney on them.
Yeah.
They do on there, but not on the front.
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Well,
I'm with
they
you.
are quite nice though.
They're not bad. Yeah, they're alright. Oh, this is the Sinbad tiger, isn't
And
it?
Sinbad. It's like a little beanbag one, that's so cute. Oh, and it's got a clip.
In this treasure chest. There you got your Sinbad pin badge.
Quite big one.
Another phone cleaner. What is this mystery? Was it a phone stand or
that
something?
is like a cable tidy.
Okay.
Oh look, so that's the bottom of your phone. And you put that on your cable. You get me?
Yeah.
So it clips onto your bottom of your cable.
Okay.
So you've got a cute cable.
Nice.
That's
yeah.
actually quite...
Oh, is that the squirty hand hand cream that's in a Mickey hand?
Like a soap. Yeah, I might get it. I think that's cute.
Yeah.
Cable bag.
Oh, souvenir. He'll be chomping on that cable.
Because that's what we're going to use every day.
Oh, Genie curry. We saw Country Bears curry yesterday. Give me some of that. Genie curry. Don't know what they are. Maybe a biscuit of some kind. Oh, we got here.
There's a lot of glass over here. So
A lot
I
of
feel
glass,
very
better be
nervous
careful.
about my backpack. Have you what's that? Little jewellery box. That's so beautiful.
Glass slipper.
Yeah, they're cute, aren't they? Oh, baubles.
Grimbo.
That's the baubles.
Got a little Christmas tree, Mickey Hat Christmas tree. Oh, Royal Tandoori. That's a bit of me. Wow. Carpets on the window. Oh, here we go. This is what we could have. What we got? Creme brulee. Curry sampler with tandoori chicken. Oh. Medium beef curry, mild shrimp curry. Beef curry, chicken curry, vegetable curry for Jessica. Get naan bread with that. Right, it's that time again. It's tea time. And we've got some goodies. Can you guess what it is? Going for the curry. What we got, Jess?
So we're in Casbah food court, and this is the vegetable curry. This is one of the only, maybe the only vegan option on a menu where you don't have to make any adjustments, and it's just on the regular menu. It has a little leaf next to it. It says vegetarian, but it is all vegan, including the naan bread, apparently.
Yep.
And we've got a Kirin orange.
Yep, putrid
And
orange
a
colour.
Coke as
Yeah,
well.
beautiful. Yeah, I must say it looks good.
It looks really good.
Yeah, I can see. I think we've got potato, onion, green beans, cauliflower. Naan bread looks okay. Yeah.
Amazing. I'll show you what it is. Ooh.
Nice. Has it got that umami?
Yeah, that's really good. That's like Japanese curry, just exactly how you want it to taste. And it's got a bit of a kick to it as well.
Oh, medium spiced.
Yeah.
Let's have a little go. Bit of rice. Not bad at all. Got some empty plates here.
I'm still going.
So, another thing, flipping camera, it actually came to £14.91, so 2,400 yen. So for 2 curries and 2 drinks in a Disney park, it's pretty good. So yeah, that's value.
Safe voyage. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat.
中央アメリカのジャングルが広がるロストリバーデルタを後にしてこれから向かうのはアラビアンコースト。千夜一夜物語を思わせるエキゾチックな世界です。
Wow. Still waving. Oh, we got some wavers up there. Everybody waves. And another. Everybody waving. Whoa, fast waving. Don't stop him.
ここは海の仲間たちと人間が
Any more
一緒
wave?
に楽しく過ごせる海底王国マーメイドラグーン。色鮮やかに地上に姿を見せているのはキングトリトンキャッスルです。
Oh, God.
ロマンティックな港町です。
Wow. like Venice, eh?
Minasan,
Beautiful. I can spot a gondola. Yes.
So
So good. Just on Broadway. Wicked. No way. That looks insane. That's insane. Toy Story mouth. Pretty good. We got him. Hello.
hello.
So we have done. We've had a banging curry.
Yes.
Oh, you mean since the curry?
Oh
what
yeah,
have we
so we
done?
had curry.
We've talked about the curry and we've thought about the curry.
And then what did we do after the curry? Mine's gone blank.
We went on the boat.
Oh
to
yeah, we went
the
on
Mediterranean
the
area.
little boat, little harbour boat.
And
was
then
nice.
we had a bit. Went on the merry-go-round. Oh, it was after the
I
curry.
think that was maybe after.
And then we wanted to go on Sinbad, but hey ho, it was shut. So we had to wait it out, didn't we, for about an hour or
Yeah, so we just
went-
had a nice walk around, and then we've just had one last go on Sinbad just now. It
so.
was amazing.
Perfect.
It was so good.
What a way to finish.
It's
Amazing.
so good. I loved it. So now we're just kind of soaking in the atmosphere on our walk out of the park. And it looks so nice at night time.
Yeah,
All the
yeah,
lights. It's
different
just
class
so
at
beautiful.
night, innit?
Yeah.
Right, nice.
Yeah, just can't quite
Just like the theming.
explain how.
The theming's
yeah,
just
every
so
single
good.
area is detailed.
Yep. Well, fancy seeing you here. Titanic, look. Titanic had 4 of them. I don't know. I'll have to rewatch the movie, eh? Tower of Terror. Moonlit Walk. Lamplit Walk. Right, good. Again, theming.
Yeah, the theming.
Crazy. Oh, here we go. Come on, let's get some wavers. Let's get some wavers. Have we got any wavers? Yeah, everybody! Come on, everyone! Yes! Perfect. Did every person wave then?
I think I did.
As the world turns. Me and the bears. Taking the last train home. Baby.
I have criminal hair again. So we're just going to sign off. We're back in our hotel room. Just saw the fireworks from our window. That was incredible. Such a good view. If this room was in Florida, it would cost an absolute fortune. Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
We've not paid that much for this
You'd be
hotel
saving up
room.
a while, wouldn't you, for it?
And it's just incredible. But anyway, so we stuck around for Disney, I forgot what it's called. It's like Believe or something, the Believe show. Yeah, what did you think?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, very good. All lights and everything. It was probably maybe better than Epcot's. I don't know. On a par.
On a par with
I'd
Epcot's.
say. Yeah, I think so. The fireworks weren't as crazy as Epcot's.
Yeah.
But the lights and the storytelling were alright. Well, that were good.
Yeah, it was kind of like
Quality again, though, isn't it? That's where it kind of wins through.
Yeah.
Good quality.
It was a really good combination. It had like fireworks, light show. There was projections on all the buildings around the sea area, and there were like these huge boats with like TV screens on them, essentially, that like wrapped around the whole boat, and the boats like changed heights all the time. There were characters on top of them.
Yeah.
I thought it was amazing. It was like kind of a cross between Fantasmic and the Epcot fireworks show that they've just had on, Harmonious. But I would say it was better than both of them. In my opinion, I thought it was amazing.
Yeah, I think it
So
were,
good.
Yeah.
Just such good quality. Just when you think it can't get any better, it does. Like things get bigger and better and more amazing. So yeah,
Bang for your buck.
Yes,
Bang
you do
for
get a
your
little bang
buck.
for your buck. We've got one last Disney day. We've got like a day off tomorrow. It's Saturday tomorrow, but then we're back at Disneyland on Sunday for our last Disney day. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Peace out.